Yes, sir. Yeah. From here, so you don't know, so from here, the baddest instrumental per radio. You know, so this is one of the baddest show them on radio. And I modestly say one of, because you don't know the rest of the bad show them there, right here on the Bridge 99 FM. What go on, Bridge Nation? You don't know, so this is the streets. According to me, your boy Shelz. How you guys doing? Remember, you know, you're listening. If you're confused, I just, you know, what you do on radio? I scroll up on radio. Where you go through station? I don't know, whatever terminology that is. I just buck up on this nice voice. You're here on the Bridge 99 FM. And you remember, you know, oh yes, I keep on forgetting that. You see, the thing about the Bridge Nation is that my lovely voice and the vibes here on the streets according to Shelz isn't just only heard here in Jamaica. I know not normal over here, so seeing. We're heard in New York, the New York tri-state area, thanks to my family over there at Irie Jam. Big up on yourself. Enough love to you guys over there in New York. Big up all the bridge builders. If you don't know what a bridge builder is, if you've been living under a rock and you want to know what that is, a bridge builder essentially are the people that will say, yo, you know, some have a little product or a service or a business. I'm gonna feel like want it bigger than Jamaica. Although not no bigger than Jamaica still. But you don't feel like they want to take them goods and them services overseas to the diaspora, then the Bridge 99 FM is the way to do it. And if you want to become a bridge builder today, get on the bridge and call our sales department at 876-669-5000. Let me say that again for the people at the back of the room. 876-669-5000. Don't call now, sales department asleep or after work, but just write it down. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. People who don't know, as always, they don't know the reasoning is just real vibes, real people, real discussion. I will just keep everything real, you know what I mean? And tonight, the vibration is that we're going to do a little recap. So that's sure I got a little, I mean, the show already did kind of free-flowing and we don't want to say loose, why? But, it's just, you know, we're going to even be a little bit more free-flowing tonight, because tonight we're recapping all the events, all the things that were the streets they are talking about for all of 2021. And enough things, you know. And to be frank, I feel like the streets talk about enough foolishness, things we wouldn't have to talk about. But as a good person, I'm going to speak about what the streets are been speaking about. So listen, I'm going to make sure that I cover everything. But if I miss out anything, then feel free to contact the Bridge 99 FM on all social media platforms. And you can find me at everything, Ting, Shelly. Everything_Shelly on Instagram. Please. Right now, yes, Sean, it's Shelly. You understand? I mean, yeah, Sean over there. I already explained this on my earlier show them. Let me explain why. So, Mr. Shelly, when a girl say my name as Shelly and her months, you know the vibes. You just be like, oh, you see the vibes. There it is. You see me? I don't tell them. But yeah, but right now, I am live on my Instagram. Shout out. It makes sense, don't it? See, Abby make it say Abby as a lady, so that makes sense. Can't believe that. But listen, I am currently live on my Instagram. Based on my head back up. Yeah. No, I'm having my DP. Oh no, them can't. I don't know. Oh, them save me. But we just know say. Oh, you mean like if me have my DP up on WhatsApp and them thing there? No, but we can be Shelly boyfriend. You see me? Come on, you have to cover all tracks, man. A simple thing. But yes, at everything_Shelly, I'm live right now. Shout out to all, how much that? All 5, 6 on. Big up on yourself for passing through on the Instagram live. But yeah, you don't know, say yo, tonight we just recap everything that happened in 2021, the streets they are talking about. But before I get into that, you don't know, say the weekend, this is a very weird period for me. I don't know about you. I see that period will be like from like Christmas Eve to about like the 2nd of January. Is like the world does not really right. Like you're gonna really real. Like me just step on cruise control. I don't know if the bugger mature Sorrel, cause you know you have the PG version of Sorrel. I don't know if all of that, but I just feel like me in a cruise control. You know, I don't know if really they at work and you know, me hear Sin somewhere and say, what? No, Sin, I'm actually here. You see me? But no, I mean like, you know, it's like I don't know if we take these days serious. It's like a festive season. It's like a party vibe atmosphere I'm having on my spirit right now. I don't know if anybody feel that way. But my weekend was brilliant in the Bridge Nation. I don't know, say the Christmas weekend went forward off. And how was my Christmas weekend? My Christmas weekend was interesting. We can hear my mother somewhere right now say, Lord Jesus, I'm gonna say it. My sister, interesting on the last show, you know, Abby. Remember what I talked about how soon before you bring your partner My sister brought her boyfriend to dinner, and man said, "Yo, hey, the universe, hey, the Lord plays no games. Hey, a good youth. It's a good youth. I no judgments here. No, it's not the first time meeting, but the first time in fall through the gate, my veranda grill, it was just a lot of barriers pass. You see? There's a lot of, but a good youth, I'm not gonna lie to it kind of, so when he fall in the house, I'm gonna say like him just sit down in the couch. Like first thing him do for kind of, I say, hold on there. The man just fall in and say, hi mommy, and hug my mother. I say, whoa, woo. Never feel that yet in my soul, like never hear another big man. Oh, I said, mommy, and then him sit down in the couch, and then my sister sit alongside him and just hug her same time. Like, I say, what? Okay. Oh, I said, whoo. But no, it was a blessing. It was a good vibe. And Christmas dinner was amazing. Big up my father and my mother. They threw down in the kitchen. You know what? I feel like Christmas is like low key a very fancy version for Labor Day. Like you think you will get enough rest, but the amount of things you have to do around the yard is like, I really just a very glorified Labor Day if you really think about it. But no, it was a pleasure, man, hanging with my family as always and eating some good food. We're giving thanks every step of the way. And the ultimate takeaway for the weekend was just that, just appreciate the people around you, you know what I mean, and including my sister's boyfriend, and just have a good vibe and just enjoy the present and be present. You understand me? But before I get into like a lot of the discussions and the recap, there's something that really ticked me off over the weekend. For our country, I know we're going to revisit this later in the show, but for our country, we're very skeptical when it comes to vaccinations and following the protocols because of conspiracy theories and we don't trust the government, and we just love to play in the hands of the government in a certain way. Because I said that to say Christmas Eve, we get the little break, the little 1 a.m. I'm here said dance keep, be a party keep, be a slackness. You understand what I mean? Say, and we know say Omicron there, Omarion there. You see me I say, and we just now say we have follow the trends them. Like we have make it very easy for the government to say, let's blame the people. Because we see the cases going up and we just see the 1 a.m. and we just go crazy. And right now I'm kind of nervous for New Year's, because if we could have done it on Christmas Eve, imagine what happened on the New Year, you see me? People just please, we don't have to do that. You know what I mean? We don't have to so reckless in our streets, brother. Like, I was very disappointed by that. I'm not telling a lie, because we know say the Christmas Eve was just for shopping and a man say, I'm going to throw 5,000 party. And then even if I know the ghetto youths and the regular people them will cause a spike, the numbers like that, the people that go to party them cause it. Just make it easier. That's my point. And I make it easier for the government using as scapegoats. That's all I mean say. You see me I say, but we know the new year forward and let's hope the police presence and them thing they out there, but it is what it is. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Jamrock. But before we get into the recap, I say let's take a little break. I'm gonna take a little break. You know what I mean? Say from here, the voice, that's the lady's choice. This is the Bridge 99 FM. This is the streets. According to me, your boy Shelz. We're going to take a quick break and I'm going to forward back with the recap of the 2021 happenings in the streets. We're so forward.
One love, one heart, one Jamaica. On the Bridge 99 FM to the world.
Yes, sir. Yeah, don't know, sir. From here, one of the baddest instrumental upon radio. No, let me not be modest about that. When you're the baddest instrumental upon radio, so this is one of the baddest show them upon radio, because the rest of the bad show them upon where? The Bridge 99 FM. This is the streets. According to me, your boy Shelz. Bridge Nation, I missed you guys, even though me here from last week and you hear from me last week. I want to make a special shout out to the two callers that I had. Them they just run through my mind. I never expect my show forever have callers. I remember them name. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Primrose from St. Anne. I remember you. I remember Romy and the two persons who won the giveaways. I hope you guys are staying tuned to the Bridge 99 FM on the streets according to me, your boy Shelz. But now the giveaway tonight, sadly, I can't just imagine like 5 people just gone. I hope not. But no, we just give beer vibes and things. So tonight, people, as I said, they say, oh, jeez, Abby said they might give me away. They say 11:59. Now gonna auction me? Hold on. All right. You them said they might gonna auction me. They might give me away. So it's not sound safe. But yeah, for those who want to see how I look and save the voice, match the face and them thing, you can find me on the www.thebridge99fm.com with the live stream. Guys, it's visual radio, people. We're out of the Stone Ages and on a play thing over here, so zine. But yes, let's get into the discussion. Tonight we're doing a recap of everything eventful in the streets. I know, so the streets have... Okay, so I heard that we have some people. I never knew I had guests today. I was very surprised, but these were very special guests. These two ladies, when it comes to coming up with ideas, are instrumental. Whenever the topics make them get flustered, I know say are good topics. So on the phone, I have the lovely Jojo. Yeah, what's Jody real name? What's Jody full name? Jody, and nobody know her last name? Oh wow, this hard. That's our Bridge family. She's one of the biggest producers here. Jojo, are you there on the line, love?
Yes, I am.
All right, let me just address it, Frank. I'll be floppy. I'll be say share your friend. Yeah,
I'll be know my last name, don't it?
Yeah, she don't know your last name. I've been just say Jojo. But if that's fine, for the sake of the conversation. Cause you do good work here. So I don't know if you want the world know, say yeah, big.
Jojo or Jojo is fine.
All right, fine. Well, yes, hi Jojo. You don't know what going tonight. We are recap the 2021 festivities.
Let's say, what a year.
What a year. You know what I mean? I'll be say she go pass through from time to time. So I mean, I knew at the moment.
I'm gonna do the most talking now. I'll be fool.
But all right, but Jojo, right off the bat, want you tell me one topic, one thing about me in the streets, but just make it say, Jano, like you just remember it to this very day.
Maybe honest with you now, the two things jumped in my mind a while ago. The whole Kevin Smith thing and then the gentleman that, not even gentleman, I don't know which word my carry is appropriately for that. But that thing that basically kidnapped two girls,
in a St. Thomas there.
Them can't find it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so those two things stood out to me. Really creepy situation.
Yeah, whenever like, well, let me address them from now then, yeah, man. So first of all, well, some have him name. Davey and Brian. We're not afraid for call name, them say he's the accused. Him there on the run and thing. You remember how the whole of Jamaica basically assemble? Like, I never see so much unity. Whole of St. Thomas. Last time I see St. Thomas gather, so I went popcorn go keep on Ruley Fest. It's like...
Exactly.
No, it was a vibe like... yo.
And it was almost... It was sad in a way because it took something so devastating happening for us to realize that unity is strength, and with unity we can accomplish so much. Yeah. And it's like we just went back to square one, and it's sad that every time something bad or unfortunate has to happen for us to
for us to unite. Yeah, something bad happened before we say, what, we take matters. But another bad thing, another unfortunate thing that happened, even though yes, the girls were found and thing. A guy was mistakenly identified as the perpetrator, and jungle justice, man.
Yes, and that made me like, because I'm all for jungle justice.
You're for jungle justice?
Yeah, but I thought I was for it until that happened.
Until that happened, you say. It's a good, it's a pros and cons situation, man. Because the reality of the situation is that, in a sense, in a way, the community really brought the attention, island-wide, because in a realistic way, we can't, no disrespect to law enforcement, but sometimes when it take long, brother. You see me? So, but it's unfortunate to say how somebody lost their lives, but man still live on the run,
Yeah.
Still there, so.
Oh, them can't find him yet. I'm falling at this
somebody I keep somebody safe, it go.
I'm hoping, and I don't care how anybody feel about this, but I'm hoping he's not alive. So.
Oh, you're hoping he's not. Oh, you're hoping him just there somewhere. Wow.
Yeah, this is right. I'm sorry.
You think that's it? You think that fear, rather than facing the justice and courts.
Which court? What justice?
You say what justice?
Yeah. Another thing that kind of stood out, but not as much, was that when they said that we had over 200 odd repeated offenders.
Yeah.
Doing the same thing.
Yeah.
That bail, rape, murder.
Yep.
And they were out and they were able to do the same thing that they went to jail for in the first place.
Yeah.
Come on now.
A lot of things came out of this situation, because people get up and say, yo, to start create a list of like sexual offenders and sex offenders and make them know to the community that they're from, and there's a big debate about that, whether them should do that and forgive the people them and clear them name. What do you think about that? If you think you live in our community, you have to know that a registered sex offender.
The predator in my community to protect the women and the young girls and the young boys and men in the community.
True. So
the thing with us Jamaicans are that we like to protect these predators because they're our family and our friends, which is unfortunate.
Facts.
But if me know what you are, remember say me tell people say me are informer. So
from you see what go on your load. All right, that's
exactly,
fair. That is fair.
Because it can happen, not because it's not happening to you directly.
Yeah.
It happens to a family friend, a family member.
Yeah.
So when you protect these people, just remember that anything can happen to your family member, your friend.
Facts.
Right.
Yo. Oh, sorry, I'm just make a quick segue. Come the live on my Instagram, Jojo. My Instagram I pop right now, 7 people, all of 7, I feel like an influencer.
God, perfect number.
I feel like an influencer. But no, so because I'm not here, I don't think them hearing your lovely points. So people on the live, and they can tune in to the Bridge 99 FM online. You see me, www.thebridge99fm.com, or tune in the frequencies 99. I always get this wrong, 99.1, 99.3, 99.5, 99.7, and 99.9. I rehearsed that, you see me? It's too bad they never have that in a school. But yeah, a lot of great things happened this year. We're going to touch back on someone. Because we're not forget, the cult vibration. We're not going to forget that.
No.
But, Jojo, you know what happened this year?
What?
Bridge launch.
Yep.
Bridge launch.
No, let me tell you what. It doesn't feel like the bridge just coming up.
You don't feel like bridge just for? Feel like we're there a long time?
No, it feels like it's there a long time. And that's what I like, because I have the new vibes. Have the we're there a long time and we're running.
Yeah, man. You know why we feel like we're there a long time? Because the broadcast of them we have, man. The legends that we have. You see me, you don't know Richie B. You don't know Mama Elise there. You don't know Oliver Samuels there. Nikki Z there, man. Kurt Ryder, most importantly, Shelz there. It's like, But no, the launch was amazing, We did that. No people never did. I was actually there, For those who went to the launch at the AC Hotel, I was there, But them time there, Because for those who don't know my story, I wasn't always this suave broadcaster, I don't even like to the word broadcaster. Because that sound like I have to go to school for them thing there. No, but no, I was at the bridge. I was an editor, camera operator. I was at the launch working the cameras and thing, and no months after Sita, we're there with a show, Jojo there. It's just amazing. You don't know people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It's a blessing. So big up Bobby, big up Sin, big up all the directors and everybody, because they don't know, say, for launch something like this, on pandemic.
Exactly.
I know nothing normal. So enough respect to the whole team. What else me say? So, all right, I have asked you a question, Jojo. The curfew thing. You see me? How you feel? Like, you see, the thing is, I know what the government doing, I'm not a rebel, people. You see me? I love get trouble, yes, but I'm not a rebel. You see me? I give the government props. Opposition too, I give both sides them props. But sometimes you have to know when government are try to save face. How you feel about the curfew thing now? You don't know, so we're not no more movement days on them thing there. But it's too far based on how people are move.
Exactly.
How you feel? I spoke about it earlier. How you feel about the people in my behave with this, with the curfew or the 1 a.m. thing and the partying and just the whole recklessness?
Why? Rules is not our thing. Obviously, rules and Jamaica don't necessarily go together. And we are going to feel this dearly. What we're doing right now, our party, our loose, we're just out there, no fear, We're going to feel it come January. very soon we're going to see the consequences of our actions. And I always say, or even though I'm not out there party, I just feel like everybody always suffer for the good, always suffer for the bad. And there are agendas that they're making very agendas them are good. I would can't go complain because it's see with our own two eyes on social media. Party will look like thousands of hundreds, thousands of people are there. No no mask, no nothing.
I told you what. Oh, you talk. A Mocha Fest, you talk. Hey, Mocha Fest. You never remember Mocha Fest? I can't forget Mocha Fest. I can't forget Mocha Fest. Can't forget Mocha Fest. Mocha Fest was the clearest indication we have as a people. Say, yo, tourists, foreign. No disrespect to the diaspora and the people, but they say foreign. I own a phone place, man. Don't get this twisted. A phone place.
I think they use that as an excuse also to say, well, money has to come in, which I understand, but it just sends the wrong message.
Yeah, because what not to cut it, but what I heard was that no local could have gone Mocha Fest. I don't know how true that was.
I don't know. But remember when we were on lockdown and the ship came.
Yep. And the ship was supposed to bring up the ship. Big ship and them use up with Dunzer and them thing at them time there. All I would have said son and see them in the water and say, wow, that must be nice. Yeah, man. All of them did they run up and down. And you know what it burned me about the cruise ship situation is not the fact that the tourists them there and I use up their attractions. Cause I don't know. I saw it go. Them dollars strong, them dollars make the economy and save the economy and all these things. But what burned me is that based on what I heard is that not even the craft vendor, them little people them work on the side. Them could come out and make a little that joke thing. That me never did like that specifically. And then we know what the government do after that. Them free up the place. So yes, you guys can have your entertainment.
Yeah.
And then we just like how we had to know with the little 1 a.m. We got too crazy. And then in no time, how would it have Delta?
Yes, we had Delta.
See it there?
The variant that came.
History repeats itself, and it's just that in this case, history have repeated itself quite quickly, and with us now, see what go on.
Now pay attention, but with that, I guess if you're honest now, some people can't manage to be inside. Some people not comfortable with their surroundings.
That's true.
At home, like, oh, if you come home and I have to leave my yard, that would be very good. Love that.
Yeah.
But everybody have that space where they're comfortable.
Facts.
Some people they're happiest outside. It's unfortunate, and right now it's not the best time to be outside. But even without the COVID though, the road, the accidents that are happening out careless driving. You know, that's another thing that I have never in my life, and I've been on this earth twice now, and it's the first time I've ever seen so many fatal accidents. During a 1 day period. Like this morning on Congo, we heard about 5 accidents happening within that 4 hour span. So you must understand.
It's crazy right now. Guess who just followed in the studio?
Yeah, so even though it might not make the whole 2021, I just think that 2021, people just don't act out to scared.
Yeah, my nervous about New Year's Eve. I'm not even going around here, but who even make me even more nervous is my producer. She the first time this year sit alongside of me in the studio, I'm nervous. You know, like when you had the exam and the invigilator stand up over here. When you had to do Abby's here. Abby here, the little thing with the cruise ship and Abby running. Abby hurt about that.
Yeah, Abby did hurt about that.
Why you hurt, Abby?
Because, no movement there and we're inside behaving ourselves. And, the tourists, them enjoying what we should be enjoying, right?
Facts.
So very hurt about it.
You know what? Next thing I want to talk about. I'm glad to have 2 ladies here for talk about that one. Yeah. The situation with Lila Ike.
Ooh, child.
Lila Ike. Alright, so first and foremost, the headline that I see is that Lila Ike comes out. That's what everybody had talked about. But when I first heard it, the major concern I had was the fact that the artist say she feel like her life being threatened. Like, I never see the stories, I never see the posts them. But a lot of people just focus on that one line there when she say, yo, I like women. So what? Abby, I'm ask Jojo. Come on, how Abby feeling? Jojo, how you feel about the situation with Leela? You see me? People are focused on the wrong thing.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you say yeah, I know.
All right. Let me say, whatever you are, whatever you want to be, that's your business, right? Mm-hmm. But I think whomever was blackmailing her or threatening her, she fell into the trap. Because all for me, you have to go bust my secret.
Straight.
I mean, I tell nothing.
Straight.
I said that's for bust your secret.
You have to go bust my secret. You have to go me, I said nothing.
Wow.
As a matter of fact, every time you send me a message, every time you say I go put whatever out, may I screenshot it, may I say, hey, may I record it out, may I do
and bring it to law enforcement.
Exactly, because that is illegal. That is wrong.
Oh.
But you see, it's the fear, I think, of how she thought persons would respond
to
her sexuality. Yeah. And I think it scared her, and she was like, I better me say it first before somebody saw. I think that's it wrong.
Yeah.
But then again, it out of fear, you have to do some things.
Yeah, because I can only imagine what her headspace was like. I don't really follow her on social media, but I respect her as an individual and as an artist. Right. Based on what I saw, whenever I go up on her profile for like, her new music and things, she seemed like a very reserved person. So for her to forward out like that, some serious fear that, is what I'm saying? So now, Abby, one more, I have a different question for you now, Abby. So we talk about how the people reacted, to her coming out, I guess, if we want to say that. My question is, Jojo said that she might have been worried about how people would respond. I think the responses were quite progressive given our culture, right? But my question to Abby is, were they progressive because she's a woman? What if it was a male artist forward out and say, yo, I like, you see me? Would he ever, especially a male reggae artist, would he have gotten the same respect and support from male members of the industry?
Yes.
Psych.
No.
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 But like, you try to be diplomatic.
Right?
I don't think so.
No, but look at Shelz. But remember when Leela came out, it was pretty much to me a cry for help, because how she came out was, guys, I need help. They're trying to hurt me. She was trying to reach people. True. That's why she posted that video, right? And then she went ahead and do the tweeting on social media, right? But my thing is, this is why a good management team is very important, especially as an artist, because she should have reached out to a management team and say, hey, said this happened to me, and them should have take up that in a film hand. Them should not allow her to go on social media and do all of that, because I mean, just like you have your phone in a hand a while ago, the emotions lick you. Well, that's management don't live with her, so true. But I just think, it happened the way it happened. I think it makes sense in terms of, because we don't know, so from she met that tune, the Solitude, that means our lyrics. Because sometimes if I read with the message them, because you see me, because when they know say she have some people around her where she have to kind of cleanse. I hope she get them cleansing they done, because it's serious. Because that sexuality aside, I'm with Jojo. I know Abby agree with this. No business about that. You understand me? But Dalton came out and said, he.
And even Dalton Harris case, and he was a 40s man. But it's like, we never say nothing about it. It's like, yo, do your thing. You see me? But you see, it's just the headspace as like. We'll move on, because you see me. But in conclusion, I just hope that, because we're not hearing not much about it right now, so I just hope Leela and our management team. I'm not going to say much about it right now, because that's how Jamaicans deal with stuff like this. It's really uncomfortable. Yeah. I remember saying enough Rasta, the Rasta, they behind us, love you, we appreciate your music. And they were, yo, we're not too modern, and all sorts of things. Yep. But I guess we have to leave people alone. And and the fact that the thing was that they were saying that there were videos or people did video or have our video or picture
a photo of whoever she was with, and I'm like, that's invasion of privacy.
Serious invasion,
so,
for real.
You know, what is that? And it has to be somebody close around her. So we said earlier,
yeah, man, she have to cleanse the space. Cleanse the space.
In our crew.
Yeah, man.
Definitely needs to do that.
Yeah,
but
man.
It was an unfortunate situation, but
Very
then again, you know, it's an opportunity for her to just be true to herself.
Facts.
And many people they are going and attack cloud not true to themselves.
Hey,
so.
Jojo, it sounds like you should have up on our PR team. I tell you the truth.
Facts.
Now here's onto something that's a little less shocking. The Tommy Lee situation. Him there in a jail now, Abby? A jail?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, after many run-ins with the law enforcers. You know, and finally, he was free from lot of scamming charges, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And then after that, him get found with what? A firearm.
Firearm, yeah.
Right.
And then him get locked up 3 years for that.
3 years.
Are we surprised, Abby?
No.
Yeah, all right. I don't know. I think that was an open shot case. I don't know. But it's like, what I think though, fun and joke aside, see, same vibration we're going with the teacher, with Cartel. It's like, them want this person from a long time. Like law enforcement want, you see me? Because them money through music kind of brazen with all them deal with law enforcement. Hey, law enforcers, them have an ego to, you know. So for artists, I sing certain things and I do certain things. Them just want the slightest thing if we can catch you. So, I mean...
True, but, I mean, not shocked, but disappointed because, you know, Tommy Lee, like, if
I'm
you get
disappointed.
freed, if you get freed from all
From
these...
one, you're out of them clutches and you
so you
just...
have to make sure so you stay clean for at least for a while. I mean,
Right.
as you get freed, so you're going to go find with something else.
Hey.
Right.
You know?
Why did you have an illegal firearm in the first place?
Well,
Like, what's that?
Those badness.
Well,
Yeah,
and I think you have to start taking responsibility, especially these artists. Come on now, what kind of money are gonna make in a jail?
Yeah.
Oh, you see the prison picture of them?
Oh, yeah.
Because that was, trust
Yeah,
me, that was a thing on social media.
Oh, yeah. At the prison look dirty and him look like him a struggle.
Yeah, look which fire there. Look which fire there. You have all this talent. You could have been somewhere on a yacht or hotel somewhere, enjoy a Christmas in a jail. Why?
Yeah, but the man of always have the heat on him, isn't it? I don't know it going on.
The heat there. Look what Cartel.
Listen, Jack.
Yeah, that come to mind. Tina Shelz can look where Jack got himself into.
Yes, Jojo.
No, but I said, look for Cartel there, look for Tommy Lee there. All the talent in the world.
All
look which way end up.
Jack Ure. Next one.
But I will Jack Ure.
Is it care about Jack Ure? Yo, it was on it.
Next one.
What is it? What is it though with entertainers and badness? I can't follow. Like, I understand if them fall from a certain circumstance, you know, and them have to sing about it and them have to portray it. But when you make it out, man. When you make it out, man, just, you don't have to look back. In that way. I mean, you can look back in terms of helping the community and them little way there, but in terms of those foot soldier things, you're bigger than that, man. You know,
Yeah. And it gets old.
Exactly, it get play out, but hey, we touched on this topic earlier, and my sister said, whoa, yo, Abby, we need to talk about it. We don't have hour to talk about so much things. Jojo, we touched on it. We touched on it earlier. Abby, the cult. Kevin Smith is his name. I just have one question first and foremost in a Bridge Nation. Jojo, you don't know you know with your work with Richie B, you know more thing with the current events and them like a thing there. What I want to know is, has there been a funeral for Mr. Smith?
Nope.
All right.
To my knowledge, I'm not hearing a funeral. I'm not hearing nothing about him.
I'll be here funeral for you. I'll be a search up Google. I'll be best friend. I don't see none.
Go search
see none?
police officers.
See no funeral for Kevin Smith?
The police officers that were in the accident.
I know, so the unfortunate incident with the officer, yeah, I know he got, I know that.
But
where?
You're not about Kevin.
Hey, the streets, the streets, they have bugger chatting about you.
Exactly.
Oh, it's a purpose get this channel. Where's the Jojo?
People still say him not
dead. Enough people believe say him not dead. Enough people. We don't know what people expect from the picture of the body. The people say him they look too neat. If they look too neat.
I can see it.
Yeah, after an accident. Hey,
the whole thing was serious. The big thing though that I saw from it was that how much movers and shakers Mr. The Past, no, I'm not even. Because Shannon make me think what to call him now. Because myself do. Come like where I call Annie Palmer. I don't know if I name afraid for call more. It's excellent. No? It's a Shannon said no. Shannon said no, don't do that. No, but the leader of the cult, right? Oh man, I lose my train of thought. Yo, yeah. The situation with the leader of the cult and thing is that he was pairing with a lot of movers and shakers of society, politicians, fellow Christians.
Pairing shows. Pairing's just strong.
What he says,
strong term.
Hey, he managed the circles.
Take photos with them.
But I think he took photos with them, but I think he just wanted to be in that circle. You know? I remember now, because with the photos of him, we supposed to have man, have umbrella over.
Oh, yeah, the little youth.
Liverpool, all them you know, and I just think him did a try for live a certain lifestyle. Him actually did, you know, I'm full enough person to make enough money to live a certain type of way. And I think he just wanted to be around who, you know, the popular people. So that's what he did, and he did well.
Hey, more, we're going to reason, because I have enough things to say, but we're going to go to a quick break. Emphasis on the quick. We'll be right back. This is the recap show. You know, this is the streets according to me, your boy Shelz. We're so far.
It's Jamaican, it's Caribbean, to the world on the Bridge 99 FM. You heard?
Yes, sir. You don't know, sir, from here, the baddest instrumental upon radio. You know, so this is one of the baddest show them upon radio. Don't know, man. I get nervous because I be the side of me. You don't know, this is the streets. According to me, your boy Shelz, heard right here live on the Bridge 99 FM. And you don't know, big up my peeps from Irish Jam, listening to Irish Jam over there in New York. Enough love. New York on the tri-state. And you hear that Instagram people who going like, gonna know, join on the live. It's okay. They might hear me in foreign. You understand me? Sir? I don't know, man. People, if you're just joining us, you know, or have you just come out from under your rock. Tonight is the 2021 recap of what's been happening in the streets. On the phone lines, you don't know, a big bad producer. I have two big bad producers here. I just thought, wow. I have my producer, the lovely Abby, Google's best friend. And, you know, we have a next big bad producer on the lines, Jojo. And we're doing a recap of the happenings in the streets. So right now, we're going to do a quick top viral moments. You see me? Quick. You understand me? I say? First and foremost, the situation with the ground with Ayactine, cartel, the gang trial thing. It's the same thing, Jojo? It was the same trial? The two of them name get called up, you know?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah. I think it
what
was.
What a thing, man? What a thing. Ayactine took that quite personally, you know? Like, he went off. The man said...
Because you don't want to come out and pull you. Me just go, like, what? I was just doing my job. I like the fact, though, say him did just come out and say, so I can't work. Because the truth is, so our studios, them have to clean them money somehow, don't they?
Wow, Jojo. We don't know if that is... Allegedly, Jojo. We don't know if that's allegedly. The case. Jeez.
And people have to clean their money.
Off the Bridge 99 FM.
These are the views expressed by Joe. It's not the views
of Queen Jojo. Not
and some people in the streets too. Because I don't know it go already.
Yeah, but man, say even so, I don't know, you know, even though I'm not like the biggest fan of Ayactine.
Wow. We went there.
I don't think that he's like a criminal or knowing.
Yeah, I don't think so.
I don't know, that's how me feel though. I don't think him like, you know.
So it's so like your word that surprised or your cartel name calling. Stop it. Stop it. Abby, how you feel about that?
I mean,
active response makes sense.
Yeah, of course, and they have to come out and clear him name. He never really want the bugger, you know. Controversy behind his name, especially with everything else I tried do.
Yeah.
I mean, all them they said, then they escort him to studio. So I guess really have to. Make sure the theme side of the story get heard. Cause you know security. The media can twist things how they want it as well. So
that's
you have to make sure say just like Beanie Man today. Them say him did have allegedly have COVID. So I did have to go print out him receipt him and come up and say, hello, people.
That's not the case.
I never have no COVID.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
You know?
All right, fair enough. Fair enough. The social media blackout, I still can't believe the reactions that we saw. You know, like, what did happen? Facebook.
Everything went down.
Everything.
I try to remember the situation behind it. It was people say it's true that somebody have some dirt on Facebook.
Oh.
And then what happens is that Facebook, them have something on Facebook and then magically for clear them thing that Facebook just shut down.
Like an interview was gonna be aired and them just black out until them start out what they need to start out and then.
Hey, I never see the world panic. Not even the world. Bridge Nation, you see round the bridge. You see people like Abby.
Yes.
No, in all fairness, Abby, enough for Abby work do over phone and social media and thing. That's fair. But I just remember just that I do my little work. I'm just here beer stamping up the what to WhatsApp? What to Instagram? That meanwhile TikTok just that they're like, told you.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's interesting. It's actually interesting to see how locked in we are on these platforms and on these devices and thing. And just how long was it out for this?
Almost all day. It felt like a year.
Almost the entire day, but it felt like a month.
Yeah, it felt like forever. It was too long. We had to go back to MSN and send emails.
So we're gonna send emails, carrier pigeon.
We had to go back to the olden days.
Stone Age.
Telegram.
We had to download
Telegram long time. Twitter did down too? Twitter did down one.
No, Twitter was up.
Twitter was up. Twitter can't go down. That's on the phone. Oh yeah, it was true. Twitter phone. Yeah, true.
That was okay. So.
Mark on Twitter yet. No, alright, that's cool. That's fine. We don't need social media. I'm gonna go out 2 weeks more. Remember to follow me on Instagram, guys. Next thing, I'm at the perfect time for close out the show. Whoo! Waterford, what go on?
Oh my God.
What go on?
Yo,
hey. Hold on, man. Yeah.
With employer, cause she.
For those who aren't quite sure, we're talking about. We're talking about the big combo party. We're going to Waterford, Portmore. Combo boss, big up yourself and your team. For those who are living under a rock, who don't know what going on, there's this party that was happening right around the corner from me. I was quite excited for a minute. There was a combo deal, right? Okay, what is it? It was on the back road.
No, it was.
Oh, them changed the location from.
Yeah, after a while.
Oh, Waterford could hold and then go a back road.
Yeah.
The home. I know there. Wow, I never know so them actually continue.
That's why she did get arrested.
Oh, I never know that.
Yeah.
So people, let me just give some context. So what happened was that I can't remember her name, but let's call her combo boss. She keep a party. She say, yo, $5,000 can give a combo. Now, what is the combo? Because KFC, they kind of get concerned with them here while go on. But the actual combo is you follow the party, you enjoy certain favors of the party, and you eat additional party favors. No, no, just do the mats. And here, so the party move go back road. So no, just
do the mats.
I think, as Jojo rightfully say, this woman is a hero. She and her team need props. You see me? I'm not going to agree with the fact that them keep party during time where party enough keep. But still, the fact that party could have keep them time there?
No.
It could have keep Kevin. I say could have keep. They had up to 10 and then could have.
The party couldn't keep.
But I think them get up. They not get a permit. Just like no.
Can't keep.
Nobody not getting a permit for party.
No, man. Just like no, we're not on a permit for party.
We don't have no permit for party.
At all. So that was one of them party. The cop. Let's be honest. Law enforcement so I go and them say, yo, me not stop. Me want my combo. Me want people. But they say law enforcement was there.
Allegedly.
No. People.
Remember for them did lock her up, before the party starts, and she got there. She went back to just say, all right, check. Give back the liquor. When she go back to the location, she realized the place park and she say, yo, my old people make can't afford me.
She never want to let down the people them.
Combo boss. Combo boss. She don't fall upon the bridge yet.
No.
We need to call her. Me rate the initiative.
I rate the initiative. People, my diaspora friends, want to understand. I never know what's happening, you know. But just as to hear people say, Waterford there, water. I say, G's and P's, what cartel do? That's the first thing I came to. I was like, what is happening? And then I said, the meme them with the $5,000 face. And I said, no.
I never get it at first.
I never got it. I never hear what going on. I said, look at brilliance.
Yeah. When I saw the video at first, I was like, all right, cool. It did very funny, actually. It was very, very funny. So when I saw the video, I'd be like, all right, cool. But then we don't know if people actually save the date. And I wait.
People, me, I said, toll full.
Yeah.
Town people are coming. No, what I want to know is, was it real though? Come here, so some people say, don't come on over there. Was it real? Kevin, like him go there now. Every time I ask something about it, Kevin, I draft for him. Oh, Kevin said he was passing by. He was passing by. So he said crime was at the all-time low that night. Hey, no, people. The combo party is real. Me say them still I try to find a way to make it go on. Hopefully when the place free up certain way, it can happen. Because it's good business for the promoter and the ladies. You know, I'm just saying. But people, if you never, I always get sad at this moment. But the show is coming to an end. You know, this is the recap show. Hopefully we can continue next week and talk about more things. But until then, I want to big up my friends and big bag producers, Jojo and Abby, for passing through. This has been The Streets, according to me, your boy Shelz. Stay tuned to the Bridge 99 FM. You don't know the vibes, go. Big up on yourself. I'm out.